What is up, guys? Matt Palling here. Happy Sunday, and today we are going to be unboxing this ROH figure, Bobby Fish. That is right. Here's the back of it. So here we go. And he comes with a black table, of course. Pretty cool. I like it a lot. Here he is right here, guys. Bobby Fish. Pretty cool. Trying to get him out, guys. Almost getting him out. Here he is, guys. Once again, hope y'all enjoy my unboxing of the Bobby Fish ROH figure unboxing. So once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya. Happy Sunday.